Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Jay Waz and I are still up in Michigan. Tonight is date night, so we are kind of driving further out of GR to go to a restaurant on a lake. So tonight's date night, I have got on, because you guys were asking me to swatch these other Glossier Ultra Lip shades. This is the shade Cachette on my lips tonight. I really love this shade. I am starting off tonight's vlog though because we just found a house in Nashville that we really like. Obviously, we are up in Michigan for the next 4 days, so we can't go into town and look at it, but we're gonna be sending my mom and my grandma to go check out the house. It is modern contemporary. It is in one of our favorite neighborhoods in Nashville, like right by a lot of our friends, and it is just like the cutest little contemporary home. So fingers crossed. They are gonna look through that tomorrow. They're gonna FaceTime us, and then we should be able to kind of put an offer in tomorrow. It should go through by Sunday, and we should know, honestly, before we even get back to Nashville, whether our offer is accepted, whether we get the house or not. So this is kind of a crazy little vlog because I was not expecting to have any sort of house updates in our last vlog. We literally were like, there are no houses. And obviously stuff just pops up, and when it does, you have to jump so fast. So my family's gonna check it out tomorrow. We're just really excited. We're really nervous because it is a special little house, but I just thought I would keep you guys up to date. We're headed out to dinner. We have a 40-minute wait, but the weather's super nice. We're actually able to look. We're just gonna chill. They've got a screened-in porch that we're gonna try to get a table at. All right, y'all. We come to Michigan to get Southern food. We got a pulled pork sandwich, street corn, honey butter biscuit. But look at the view. It's so pretty. Good morning. I'm coming at you from my yard work clothing. We're doing some work on their yard today, and then we're gonna go to the Sleeping Bear Dunes, which is like this big dune that we're gonna climb. But I wanted to show you guys her greenhouse. Hey, right? We've got plants everywhere. And then Jason's mom literally built this thing. How crazy. She's got all her tomato plants, her marigolds. Riley, are you loving Michigan? You loving it up here? So happy. More plants over there. Right now it's coming together, but crazy. The doggos are loving life. Ben's mowing. We are about to jump on a call to virtually tour the house. This is our graduate. She's making a little banner right now. We are preparing for her graduation party. That's what all this is about. So we just moved a bunch of bricks and stones and pulled some weeds and did some yard work. Thanks, guys. Woo! But we're gonna jump on a call with my family to do this virtual house showing, which I never thought we'd have to do. But I kind of guessed that as soon as we left Nashville, we'd find something. So here we go. All right, we're out here at the dune.
The dunes.
y'all. Climbed up that whole thing. I almost died. Here we are, back at the top. Alright, now we are at the beach. Look at this.
Like no person needs this. It's just so big.
It's so long. He wouldn't share it with me. When you were on tour? This looks like Gatlinburg. It's just so cute and like very cottagey. So adorable. So this area of Michigan is known for their cherries. So everything is cherry themed.
Cherry scone mix.
Cherry scones. Cherry jam. So cute. What kind of pie do we get? Savory pie with the crumb coating. That's right. We just got back home. It was like a 2.5 hour drive from the dunes. Haven't really talked much on the vlog just because I feel like with all the family around, I just try to be very, you know, low key about filming and stuff. So all of that was just kind of on my phone. But we got pizza, got some pie at that cherry pie place. We're so tired. It's like 10 o'clock now. But we wanted to give you guys an update on this house. I feel like we kind of had to drop and run after we did that online, well not online, that virtual showing with my mom. Basically, it's not gonna work out because there are some structural issues, foundation issues.
And they're trying to sell it as is, which
they're trying to sell it as is, which in a normal market, you can't do that because that's just ridiculous. But because everything's so crazy, my grandma said that perfectly great houses are going as is and perfectly not great houses are going as is. So they checked it out though. They saw a lot of cracks in like the basement and stuff and just things that were kind of alarming. Like, what was the floor?
Yeah, the one corner, there's like a 2-inch difference in floor sort of travel across the basement, which is like not awesome.
So at one point it's just like super sloped, and so it is definitely like the style of house that we want, the neighborhood that we want. It is a little bit small. It could totally work for us, but mostly the reason that we just don't feel good about it is because the foundation stuff. It's just not worth getting into something and rushing into something and then getting stuck with foundation issues, especially because this one is kind of on a hill, and so if there are foundation problems, then it's gonna be really expensive to fix, as all of those kind of serious problems are. But also because it's on a hill, it feels like there's this constant maintenance that we would have to do to keep the foundation in check. Like this guy had to put like extra supports in back in 2017 to keep the foundation up to code, but it's like, it's stuff that you'd have to redo over and over again. So probably not gonna do that. But there is one house that we've heard of that's gonna come up in the next couple of weeks that we're gonna keep you guys updated on. I'm about to cut Lindsay's hair. Woo! Why do I keep cutting people's hair? We're gonna cut her some longer bangs, just some face framing pieces. For sure. Go take a shower. Get out of here. Woo! Yeah. Get out of here. But yeah, so today was super fun. My legs hurt so bad. I'm trying to find my coffee. Oh, from earlier. I still haven't finished drinking this thing from this morning. But that's kind of the update on the house. I know this vlog has been just kind of all over the place. I feel like we haven't really had much time to kind of talk to you guys and just catch you guys up, but that was kind of our day. We did the dunes, and then tomorrow we're gonna grab lunch with some of Jason's like high school friends, and then the next day will be Lindsay's open house, which is like her graduation party. So we've got some stuff going on, but I thought I would kind of catch you up as far as that house goes. We're super bummed because we thought it was honestly gonna be a really, really good house. And it honestly kind of felt like a deal, and that's why it was a deal, because the foundation stuff. So there are no deals right now. That's what we found out. I don't think Raya said hi yet. Say hi. We've got Michigan flags all around because Lindsay's gonna be going to Michigan for school. I feel like I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry that like whenever we come up here or go on trips, I feel like I never actually like explain anything to you guys. It's just kind of all over the place. With family, there isn't a whole lot of time to just like chill and explain stuff. I feel like we're going all the time, but it's been really, really great being up here. I feel like it's been the reset that we've really needed, and we definitely are still a little bit tempted about the housing market here, but I do think that there's something for us in Nashville. We just gotta be patient. So I am really excited about this house that should come up in the next 2 weeks. We tried to get in with the seller and be like, can we just buy it before it hits the market? But there's no reason for the seller to even do that for us because they can list it and get, you know, 20 bids on it. So we are going to throw everything that we have at this next one though, because it is in the neighborhood that we want. We do obviously need to walk through it though, make sure that it's good, but I am really excited to check out that house. So we should have some more updates in the next couple of weeks, but I hope that this vlog has made sense so far. I felt like we needed a good intermission where I kind of like caught you guys up and just talked to you because like I said, these types of like family vlogs, I never think to like really talk and vlog when I'm around all of them because I don't know, I don't want to like interrupt the moment by like vlogging, so I just try to do it pretty casually. But I am glad that I got to show you guys Sleeping Bear Dunes. I'm sorry the audio is terrible because it's so windy, but that was honestly really cool. It's so beautiful. It definitely is like way more steep than you think going back up. You're like, oh, it's not that far down because you run down it so quickly, but by the time you start crawling up, you're literally like, I might not make it. But one thing I will say is that it honestly is crazy what like your body I feel like is capable of doing when you have literally no other choice, because it literally said at the top of the hill there was like a sign that said like $3,000 fee if you have to call us to like, I don't know, rescue you from the bottom of the dunes. And so I feel like people have gotten stuck down there before, but I was like, I am so determined to not get stuck down here. It honestly reminds me of when we did the Grand Canyon. It was like super easy to obviously go down into it, but then you forget that the only way out is up and you're like, it's so hot and you're just like dying, but you gotta make it out. So we did it. I went really, really slowly. I can already feel it in my legs. So tomorrow I feel like I'm gonna be just falling apart. Second was going in for the cut. They line up.
They line up, yeah. All right, the sister's got a haircut. Okay, yours actually looks amazing. I just want to talk about this. This is like honestly such a vibe. Okay.
The whole
A vibe
she needed.
We did just some
light
layers in the front. Just some face framing pieces.
Oh, cute.
She hasn't showered yet, so her hair's not greasy. But we're going with it.
Today is the big day. A little graduation party. Lindsay's doing some flower arranging. Oh my gosh, it must be humid out here. My camera's fogging up. So pretty. Lindsay's doing the table arrangements. Looking good. These are my favorite flowers.
Not done yet, so they're a little, have some pockets in it, but
I'm gonna come back and fill Riley is just chilling in the sun. We got streamers and tents up. You guys have been hard at work today.
oh yeah.
That's cute. looking good. So pretty. All right, Jay-Waz, what are you working on?
Covering the tables with
Craft
this
paper. In other news, I got in my first box of Madewell stuff for my first project with them. These sunglasses, how cute are these? And then they have like a little bit of a warm tint to them, so everything looks very golden. It's very nice. And then this tank is like super nice, really lightweight, super comfy. I love this like seafoam green color. And then I gotta show you guys these shoes. How cute are these sandals? They have like the tiniest little bit of platform, but summer outfit. Grad party ready. Woo! How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Rock on.
Looking cute.
Did
All
you
right.
tour everything?
No, we gotta show them the full setup. This has been a week in the making. All right, start us off in the lounge.
All right, so here we have our outdoor living room. It's just a good hang space. I wanted to like the indoor outside, so that's what I was feeling. Over here we have 9 Square in the air.
Never heard of that, but
So much fun. Over here we have all our tables with our beautiful florals. And
yeah, you guys saw us make these.
oh yeah, I think they turned out pretty well.
And then the main event.
There.
Got all the flags. This is where you can put your cards. Drinks. There's gonna be tons of food. All the photos. It's me. I am sitting here on the porch editing this vlog, and I realized I forgot to film any sort of outro. Yesterday we did obviously Lindsay's graduation party, which was super fun, and it was a really late night. I think Jason and I went to bed at like 1:30 or something, so forgot to film an outro. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of random scattered vlog. I am excited to go back to Nashville tomorrow. I think after this week we've had like a good reset of missing home and missing Nashville and realizing that I think that is where we're supposed to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in Nashville very soon. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Like, comment, say hey, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon. Bye y'all.